Hello, welcome all of you. This is a text processor software. Today I will demonstrate the how to convert text file into CSV file or Excel file. For sampling purpose, I have already UT file with me. Simply load using drag and drop. Choose an option, convert text. First of all, I will give demo CSV. Lines separated by pipe separator. Here you can see the line is separated by pipe. Simply start the process, select the output directory, overwrite files, start. Software converted this file into CSV file. You can check with comma separated value. Software also adding a qualifier which I provided here. In the second example, convert the file into Excel file. I just delete output, convert into Excel file. Simply start the process. The Excel file is created. Simply open into Excel. You can see the file is created into Excel file. Hope this is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.